conversation?
I don't have time for you as well.
Because as you said,
Yeah.
personality.
No, we were sitting there and you were standing in front
No.
of me.
Why don't you talk to Danny?
I was asking.
Why don't you talk to Danny?
I'm not talking to you, kid, so don't shut up.
Hey, you don't do that. Lay off my kids. Lay off my kids. Lay off my kid. Lay off my kid. Lay off my kid. Lay off my kid. Lay off my kid.
I'm not touching you.
Yan na naman.
Why are you abusing me? What's the problem, dude?
Tama na, anak.
Fuck off!
Fuck off. Tama na.
You said shut up to my sister, dude. You said fuck
No,
up.
tama na.
I said what the fuck, not fuck you.
Tama na.
Fuck not you. You said get the fuck out of here, dude. There's my family.
There's no need. Tama na. No, don't do that to
Don't
my...
test my patience.
Don't do that to my...
Test my patience.
Yan na naman tayo. Lahat na naman yan. Naka-YouTube si Doris Bigola. Alam mo yun eh. Alam mo yun. You purposely did that because I'm Doris Bigola. What the hell? That's a waste of time. Tapos YouTube niyo ako. Ano yun? You're so unfair. You knew that? Bakit ka magdalabi? Ako, gusto ka na.
Kawawa yung anak niya. Kawawa yung anak niya.
So next time, watch Alea Salonga
Kawawa yung
concert.
anak niya. Dude, come on.
No, next time, watch Alea Salonga concert. Or better yet, Blackjack. What? Sino? Hindi nakapito yun. It's a peacock.